Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. Ergonomics is the study of posture and positioning of your body. Sounds pretty boring until you consider that millions of people are suffering from headaches every day related to their posture. Whether it's an assembly line, typewriter, computer, tablet, or phone, you are likely spending a lot of time looking down. Research has found that up to 20 pounds of pressure is placed on your neck for every inch your chin extends forward or down. This increased pressure can irritate the tissues of your neck, leading to everything from premature degenerative changes to chronic headaches. Maintaining a healthy posture can not only help reduce the stress and pressure on the spinal joints of your neck, but it can also help dramatically reduce headaches. The first step in regaining a proper posture is to establish normal motion. That is why chiropractic adjustments are likely to become your new best friend. Our care is focused on finding the areas of your spine which aren't moving correctly and gently helping them regain their normal range of motion. After we have worked with you to restore proper movement, then we can focus on strengthening the muscles supporting your neck and back. This personalized type of care is how we have been able to help many people, just like you, establish better posture and reduce the frequency and severity of their headaches. Take a look around your workstation next time you're at the office. Is it set up in a way that's ergonomically correct? If not, or if you're not sure, just let us know. We'd be happy to set up a time to come to your office, evaluate your workplace, and provide specific recommendations for improvement to help keep you and everyone you work with feeling great. I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.